Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita 2023 Episode 4 Death Penalty under the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita 2023. The BNS, which replaces the Indian Penal Code, retains the death penalty as the rarest of rare punishment, reaffirming its use in the most heinous crimes. While the BNS aims to modernize and Indianize the criminal justice system, it does not abolish capital punishment but provides for its continuation in specific cases consistent with the principles established by Indian courts. Offences punishable with death under BNS. Some key provisions where the BNS prescribes the death penalty include terrorism and organized crime. Death penalty can be imposed for acts of terrorism that result in death or are likely to threaten the sovereignty, integrity, or security of India. Second, murder, clause 103. The offence of murder continues to attract death penalty or life imprisonment depending on the gravity and circumstances of the act. Rape leading to death or vegetative state. In the line of with provisions similar to IPC section 376A, the BNS provides for the death penalty in aggravated cases of rape, especially with victims where the victim is left in a vegetative state or dies. Sexual assault on children. Under provisions relating to child sexual abuse, the BNS aligns with the POCSO Act, allowing for the death penalty in the most brutal instances of sexual violence against children. Treason or waging war against a nation. Offences involving treason, armed rebellion, or waging war against the government of India continue to attract the death penalty. Judicial interpretation and guidelines. The Supreme Court's rarest of rare doctrine laid down in Bachan Singh v. State of Punjab 1980 remains a guiding principle. Courts must consider the nature and gravity of the crime, the circumstances of the offender, possibility of reformation, and the balance between aggravating and mitigating factors. Reformative shift. While the BNS retains capital punishment, there is an observable shift towards reformative justice. Greater emphasis is laid on victim rights, speedy trials, and clarity in sentencing. Life imprisonment is often preferred unless the case demands the highest punishment to serve justice and deterrence. The continued existence of death penalty in BNS has sparked debate. Proponents argue it deters grave crimes and ensures justice for heinous offences. Opponents cite the global trend towards abolition, concerns of judicial error, and the ineffectiveness of capital punishment as a deterrent. The Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita 2023 preserves the death penalty in line with India's existing legal and moral framework. While reform-oriented, it reserves the ultimate punishment for offences that shock the collective conscience of a society. The future of capital punishment in India, however, remains a subject of constitutional, moral, and social dialogue.